Zion Idume. My dear brother, how are you? Asking Kanjuagi, one mitaraku, kokezegede. Gwagoku, dika one madu. Manadiba is no bona to all of Mana to all of Fekofenis in all here. Give away the kudele. Let me talk to you. Let me speak to you. Ale masokata zanye bulon katanisi guyoku one nancy can walk any goku. My dear brother, Nanoku ife. Moya ya gwagoku man opuni geoku man omeni gemuchi. I don't know how old you are. Manina pagwa ke kindergarten one of primary school. Listen and listen good, my brother. Onye gulegu wetie egwu mu bu ojemba enwilo. Do you know what ojemba enwilo is? Onye na-ejemba adịrọ mmine bakasi ilo everywhere. You came in and you produce a drink. My dear brother, let me tell you. That your drink is something kwesilibu ojemba ayale nwilo. That when people see your drink, they'll be like, oh, kwa akunwana nyi mmanya. They want to patronize you. Mani puta. Iwejizie nganga. Wewele kwolo na nyuku. Wewele oku na uka. Bulu sonya fiagi. Is that the best one name kanjukene? Is that the best? For you and for your drink. Is that the best? Onye na amara ka isi wepụta ego mmanya gị will not understand. But as a businessman, you are supposed to be in unity with people. Whether you like it or not. Mana iji go because you want to appreciate some people. Onye okwu about your ministry, you bring money and support. You will go tinye enmity between people that are supposed to see your drink and patronize it in unity. So laugh again. You think you're doing yourself a favor. I don't know, my dear brother. Iloma ejine jaga nogu inanokuya. My dear brother, do you hear at all? Let me tell you this if you don't know. When you arrested Matthias Ezako, Imakwan, that was the only thing that gave you fame. And you know that very time the name of Brother Bukobi was booming all over. You came in, you did that. And we the Zionites, a lot of us transferred that love to you. When they were talking about each the person the remaining money, I used my platform. I spoke up here. How dare you? I said I don't give the person any money. Since the one in Yalo, they got the money. Double that they receive only 500,000. My brother, you were batazie. Let me tell you this thing. You can buy fame with money, but you cannot buy understanding. You can buy people with money, but you cannot buy integrity. You can buy food, everything in connection with, with money, but you cannot buy wisdom with money. And in all ramifications, my dear brother, sorry to tell you this, you see, you lack wisdom. But I want to tell you that God is always there for his people. The Bible said, he that lack wisdom, let them ask. I want you to ask of God. Not that I'm in any way to condemn you, but from your reaction, your actions, my dear brother. Hey, Ibuzikwo Igbo. Ebeni na fagane kwa kajo hun nabia, o ihe jimaluge. Also gị nwegatala ego na Igbo, my dear brother. Achọrọ nke iju nwayọ, sit down. I want you to look at those Igbo big boys. How do they behave? Do you think that somebody like Obi Kubana adenye ndị mmadụ ego? Look at even the little one, Imam Bosi Amuru a na-akpọ B Lord. Do you see them make noise like you? Look at those big boys. One thing about Ijiego, somebody who is a big boy, they don't make noise. When we see them, we know them. Somebody like me, if you look at me very well, if not for anything, my beauty took me to places when I was a young girl. And my senior brother, Patale, go very well. So, with my brother, he goes with me. When we live in Inewi, or in my Buha, or Buawa them, Gabros, Ibeto, Innocent, Chikasina. These people, I'm finding them because Hancha Winnie, my brother. Even if I knew Bangula, even I make a tea about them, what them, the former deputy governor of Anambra State that time. One thing, Igama, rich people, they do not make noise. And when they give money, they don't go and begin to tell everybody, I give, because, my dear brother, you are doing that, but you are telling those big Igbo boys, those rich people who na Igbo, to avoid you because you talk a lot. But this one is not yet a man. You are indirectly telling them the stuff you're made of. Anyone when they discuss something, it is on social media. They will avoid you. No really Igbo man with integrity currently, my brother, will want to associate with you. Look at those big Igbo boys. Look at them. Akwena is of them. He money them. Do you see how they behave? If we work here, if we're gonna give me, when somebody makes money, they don't need to blow their trumpet. Let us blow your trumpet for you. You just see I appreciate. People now question calling on social media. Blame if he no dear. So Kenyans is 200,000, 300,000, Obusia whistle anywhere they go. Akuzayan, Idume. Even when you are going wrong, they will not tell you the truth. My brother, Ibi Dolafia. Ojembe kwesiri nwilo. Your drink, we hand mother kwesiri menasi okwa kubanyi nwe. This is our own. That's our drink. And not patronize again. Onyeko ya balu you. But let me tell you, this division between the young content creators na Igbo will make those people, when some of them want to buy your drink, half say, oh, okay, because I don't want to get no one. They no one make an imaron in a moon. Stop. I think I'm going, my dear brother. Well, do on oh, I'll end the buy in Eku. As na nyabu woke wanyi na afulu ja na eji aka na abu na etili mmọnwụ maka na obu na ijalu mmọnwụ nwanne m nwo wike. Be smart and be wise. Onwere ihe no n'ụwa a na-emere tigbuo na zọgbuo. Let me show them. Onye kwụsị ike isi na ihe eji mkpọrọ nwolie na ihe eji ndị police ihe eji ndị anwulie. But let me tell you something. I don't know, maybe you want to end up there. But if you create impression to the world, if you create impression to the Igbo communities, that you are scaring your people away from you. A time will come when you will need them, they will run from you. It is Nakagi, Abuno Gubo. Stop using your hand to create enmity here and there. My dear brothers, no bana to all mana to all of you senior of ya. That's the only thing I can tell you. My name is Blog. I am only here to tell you the truth. If you feel to come and begin to do war with me, That's okay. But my own thing is this. I will not respond to you. You know why? I have people that look up to me. And when people who have too much respect for me, so I cannot come. May God bless every one of you. My name is Dobun Blog. Please follow my page and share my videos. Igbo Malonze mukenozo. Eke nengi kene mwana malagi fasigi nega dikechi. Nechi ada gwagwo. Bye.